Dear students, today we are going to solve the questions of exercise 1.5. The exercise 1.5 is the last exercise of chapter 1. First one is subtract minus 1 upon 9 from the sum of 11 upon 56 and minus 5 upon 8. In this question, we need to subtract minus 1 upon 9 from sum of 11 upon 56 and minus 5 upon 8. That means we can say subtract minus 1 upon 9 from sum of 11 upon 56 plus minus 5 upon 8. Now the LCM of 56 and 8 is 56. 56 divided by 56 equals to 1 multiplied by 11 plus minus 56 is divided by 8 is 7. 7 5s are 35. It is equals to minus and minus plus 1 upon 9. Now it will be 35 minus 11. 35 minus 11. 5 minus 1, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. And we need to use the sign of subtraction because 35 is greater between 35 and 11. Now we need to subtract minus 24 upon 56 plus 1 upon 9. LCM of 9 and 56. First we need to divide by 2. 28 divided by 2, 9. 14 divided by 2, 9. 7. Now it is divided by 3, 3, 7. Now 3, 1, 7, 7, 1. LCM will be 9 multiplied by 56. 7 3 are 21, 21 3 are 63, 63 2 are 126. Double of 126, 252 and multiplied by 2. If we have got any doubt, then we can directly multiply 56 and 9 and denominator to get LCM. It is divided by 56, then it will be 9. 9 multiplied by minus 24 plus it is divided by 9, then it will be 1 multiplied by 56. Now 56 multiplied by 9 plus 56, 9 multiplied by 24. 9 4 ja 36, carry over 3, 9 2 ja 18, 18 and 3 21 minus, by subtracting these two integers, 6 minus 6 0, 11 minus 5, 11 minus 5 equals to 6, 1 minus 0 1 and it will be 0. By table of 2 we can cut these two integers. Divided by 2 equals to 28. It is divided by 2 equals to 80. Again divided by 2 is 14 and it will be 40. Now it is 7 and it is 20. Now minus 20 upon 7 multiplied by 9 equals to minus 20 upon 63. Okay dear students, question number 1 is very clear to solve and you can solve in homework the question number 2 and 3 similar to question number 1. Now we need to discuss about the question number 4. The perimeter of a triangle is 15 and 1 upon 5 meter. If the length of two sides of its sides is 5.5 meter and 3 and 1 upon 3 meter, find the length of the third side of triangle. It is very simple question. We know that the perimeter of a triangle is sum of three sides. Now in the solution of question number 4, we can write perimeter of triangle is given equals to 15 and 1 upon 5 meter, and the measurements of two sides are 5 and 1 upon 2 meter and 3 and 1 upon 3 meter. Now we need to find the third side. We can write, let the third side of triangle be x. Therefore, according to question, the sum of three sides, that means perimeter of triangle, sum of three sides, that means x plus 5 and 1 upon 2, 3 and 1 upon 3 equals to 15 and 1 upon 5, because 15 and 1 upon 5 is perimeter. First we need to check the units of perimeter and sides is same, then we can calculate directly. We need to convert the given fraction in improper form. 2 5 the 10 plus 1, 11 upon 2 plus 3 3 9 and 1, 10 upon 3. 15 5 75 plus 1, 76 upon 5. Now we need to take the LCM of denominator 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 is divided by 2 equals to 3 multiplied by 11 equals to 33, plus 6 is divided by 3 equal to 2 multiplied by 10 is 20. In left and right hand side 76 upon 5. Now it will be 20 plus 33 equals to 53 upon 6, 76 upon 5. Now x equals to 76 upon 5 minus 53 upon 6. Now we need to take LCM of 5 and 6 is 5 multi 6. Now it is divided by 5. It will be 76 multiplied by 6 minus divided by 6. It will be 53 multiplied by 5. Now 5 multi 6 in denominator, 76 multi 6, 6 6 are 36, carry over 3, 6 7 are 42 and 3 45. Now 5 3 are 15, carry over 1, 5 5 are 25 and 1 26. Now by subtracting these two integers, 6 minus 5 is 1, 5 minus 6, that means 15 minus 6. It will be 15 minus 6 equals to 9, and here 3 minus 2 is 1 in plus. Now x equals to 191 upon 5 multiplied by 6. Now it is equals to 191 upon 6 5s are 30. At the last we have to convert the fraction in improper fraction. Now we need to divide 191 by 30. We know very well 6 3 is 18, that means 30 6 equals to 118. 80. Now subtracting 180 from 191 is 11. Now we can write 11 as numerator and 30 as denominator. We can see x equals to 6 and 11 upon 30 meter. At the last we can write, therefore the third side of triangle is 6 and 11 upon 30 meters. Now the question number 5 and 6 you can solve easily in your notebook in homework. Question number 6, a bag of wheat weighs 25 and 1 upon 6 kilogram. What is the weight of 132 such bags? That means the weight of one bag is equals to 25 and 1 upon 6 kilogram, and we need to find the weight of 32 such bags is equals to 25 and 1 upon 6 multiplied by 132 bags kilogram. We need to multiply 25 multiplied 6 plus 1, that means it is 151 upon 6 132. By dividing by 6 2 ja 12, remaining 1, again 6 2 ja 12. Now we can write 151 multiplied by 22. We can multiply these two integers. 151 multiplied by 22, very simple. We can convert in 151 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 11. That we can say 2 multi 1 2, 2 5 10, carry over 1, 2 1 2 and 1 3. Now it will be multiplied by 11. Now we can write 2 plus 0 2 and 0 plus 3 is 3 and 3 kilogram, 3322 kilogram. We can check by multiplying 11 203, again 203 2 2 3 3, 3322 kilogram. Okay dear students, remaining questions of exercise 1.5 you have to try to solve the questions in your notebook. Keep watching the videos and keep continue your study.